Hey there! Ever messed up so bad that even your dog gave you the side eye? Yeah, we've all been there. Whether it's forgetting an important date, saying something you didn't mean, or accidentally replying all to an email that was definitely not meant for everyone. Yikes, we all make mistakes. But here's the thing, it's not the mistake that defines you, it's how you handle it. So today, we're diving into how to apologize the right way. And no, sorry, not sorry doesn't count. Let's get into it. Part 1, Why Apologies Matter. All right, let's start with the basics. Why do apologies even matter? Well, think of an apology like a bandage for a wound. Without it, the hurt just festers. But with it, healing can begin. A good apology shows that you care about the other person's feelings and that you're willing to take responsibility for your actions. It's like saying, "Oh, I messed up, but I value you enough to make it right." And that's powerful. Part 2, the fake apology trap. Now, let's talk about what not to do. Ever heard an apology that sounded something like, "I'm sorry you feel that way"? Yeah, that's not an apology. That's a sneaky way of blaming the other person. Or how about, "I'm sorry, but" that but basically cancels out the whole apology. These are what we call fake apologies, and they're about as useful as a screen door on a submarine. So if you're going to apologize, make it real. No excuses, no blame shifting, just a genuine "I'm sorry." Part 3, the three magic words. All right, let's get to the good stuff, how to apologize the right way. It starts with three magic words. I am sorry, not "I'm sorry if", not "I'm sorry but", just "I am sorry." Simple, right? But here's the key, you have to mean it. Say it like you mean it. Look the person in the eye, or if it's over text, imagine you're looking them in the eye. Let them know you're sincere. Because a half hearted apology is like a decaf coffee. What's the point? Part 4, Own your mistake. This is where you take responsibility. Say what you did wrong and be specific. For example, instead of saying, "I'm sorry for whatever I did," say, "I'm sorry for forgetting our anniversary." This shows that you understand exactly what went wrong and that you're not just giving a blanket apology. It's like saying, "I see the mess I made and I'm not trying to sweep it under the rug." Part 5, Show empathy. Now, here's where you really connect. Show empathy. Put yourself in the other person's shoes and acknowledge how your actions affected them. For example, "I can see how my forgetting our anniversary made you feel unimportant." This shows that you're not just sorry for the sake of it. You genuinely care about how they feel. And trust me, that makes a world of difference. Part 6, Make it right. All right, so you've said you're sorry, you've owned your mistake, and you've shown empathy. Now what? You make it right. Ask, "What can I do to fix this?" Or offer a solution yourself. For example, "I know I messed up our anniversary. How about we plan a special date night this weekend?" This shows that you're not just talking the talk, you're walking the walk. Actions speak louder than words, after all. Part 7, Learn and Grow. Finally, the best apologies come with a side of growth. Show that you've learned from your mistake and that you're committed to not repeating it. For example, "I've set a reminder for our anniversary next year so I won't forget again." This shows that you're not just sorry, you're serious about making things better in the future. Part 8, The Power of Forgiveness. Here's the thing, even the best apology doesn't guarantee forgiveness, and that's okay. Forgiveness is a gift, not an obligation. Your job is to apologize sincerely and do your best to make things right. The rest is up to the other person. And if they do forgive you, that's a beautiful thing. It's like hitting the reset button on your relationship. All right, let's wrap this up. Apologizing the right way isn't about being perfect, it's about being genuine. Say you're sorry, own your mistake, show empathy, make it right, and commit to doing better. And remember, a good apology isn't just about fixing the past, it's about building a better future. So go out there and apologize like a pro. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master the art of apologizing, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a little apology wisdom. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life.